takes you to where in Africa, and also the commitment of the Trump administration to the international world. Can you just say something about it?
Absolutely. I'm here, as I said, this is my first trip to Zimbabwe. I'll be here. I've met with various government officials and non-governmental actors. I will be in South Africa starting Wednesday. I'll be attending a YALI conference there, and then I'm heading back to Washington. I would say with regard to the new administration, we've heard Secretary Tillerson say often that Africa is a phenomenal opportunity, and that we'll be highly engaged. Nothing has changed with our engagement with African countries. There are lots of different issues with the budget. It's ongoing, it's changing, it's a new administration. We're able to provide input into budget priorities, etc. We're talking with the Congress, who will also make their own judgments about the budget priorities. So this is not going to be, this is in no way a change with our relationship with African countries. The United States is still very much supportive and want to work in partnership with our PEPFAR programs and our other foreign aid assistance programs.
Thank you very much. Could you be a little bit particular to Zimbabwe, American foreign policy towards Zimbabwe, given the change in the administration in the US? And the second part of my question would be, we also understand Treasury, the American Treasury, wants to be involved in vetting people, particularly in the Zimbabwean administration. President Robert Mugabe's administration will be visiting the US to vet them in terms of when they want to visit in the issuing of visas.
The relationship with the Zimbabwean government is part of the reason that I'm here. We're not trying to vet specific individuals from Zimbabwe, but we are looking to the Zimbabwean leadership and then Zimbabwe government to make political and economic changes so that we can more robustly engage in the country.
So one more question on healthcare, health-related services. Okay, well, thank you very much. You can always reach out to the U.S. Embassy's Public Affairs section if you have any other questions, and we'll put you in touch with the right people. Thank you. Thank you.